Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to install BGMI hacks on your iPhone or iPad with the help of A-Sign or any other side loading app. So, I have already made a video about how to install A-Sign in your iPhone and iPads. With the A-Sign, how you can install any IPA without any restriction. Also, if you are facing problem related to installing and getting revoked, I have explained the solution of it too, so check out that video too. So, in today's video I will give you the tutorial about how to install the BGMI with injecting DYLIBS and anti-bans. Also I will give you brief about how you can get the anti-ban files. So without further ado, let's get to the video. So first of all, if you want to install Battlegrounds Mobile India, you'll need 3 things. Number 1. A good IPA file with strong data. Number 2. Then a mod menu or DYLIB file for the hacks. And number 3. An anti-ban or ANOGES file to protection against bans. After getting everything, let's first open A-Sign or your preferred side loading app. Then import the BGMI IPA and DYLIB file. Sign the app and go to settings, remove any existing DYLIB files, and add your DYLIB and anti-ban files, if available. Then, sign the app and wait for it to process, then, tap install, when it shows you the install prompt. And don't worry guys, it will not consume your data, it is installing through the IPA file. Remember guys, while the hacks are for fun, they come with risks. Use them responsibly, and I suggest you to not use main ID to prevent bans. I know couple of people are selling hacks with guarantee that you will not get banned, so remember guys that the hacks will expire but the skills you gain will not, so have fun using hacks. And thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time. Peace.